Today on the channel, we are going to do an install and a little unboxing of MHI Monster Hook Incorporated swivel tow hooks. But first, before we do that, we're going to give a shout out. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today on the channel we are going to do a little unboxing and an install of these MHI Monster Hook Incorporated swivel tow hooks. These are their, I call them their show hooks because they are fancy, and I do not know if I would want to actually use them, but they are 100% rated to be used in the field and to do whichever you want. But before we start tearing into this, I just want to let everybody know that I got a message from this one YouTuber. His name is DSW Joyride Productions, and he sent me a private message, and what it was his son Diesel asking me to go for a ride in my monster truck. Well, Diesel, what I got to say to you is yes, you can go for a ride in my monster truck, and thank you for showing an interest in that. If you guys follow me on any other social media site, I posted that on Facebook of him asking that. I put the video clips together and I posted that. I thought that was real cool. But then once again, Diesel, you can go for a ride in my monster truck anytime. Next time we see each other, or when we do, I'll definitely give you a ride. And for that, and this is what I'm gonna do for you, is right here, I am going to give you some Wicked Fabz stickers, Jeff's Auto Body stickers, Mickey Thompson, Linex, Apple Hill, an A&A Auto Store sticker, Iron Cross Automotive sticker, and also I am going to hook you up with all of these stickers right here. There's some American Force in there, some MSD, Superlift, Rancho, Lucas Oil, Skyjacker, some Dixie Pick, some Hawk, some Eldebrock in there, Magnaflow. I am going to give you all those stickers for showing an interest and for watching the channel. So I'm going to contact your dad, and I will get his address off of him, and I'll get these in the mail. So everybody, thanks for hanging out. If you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. And if you don't like this video, well, maybe in the next video you will hit that subscribe button. So what do you say? I'm going to get this camera turned around and we're going to do a little unboxing, and then we'll get right into the install because it doesn't take much to do this. All you're going to need is a set of pliers that go the opposite way. I can't recall off the top of my head. It's been a long day what these are called. If you know what they're called, comment down below. So this way you guys could all school me. And that's pretty much all you're going to need to install these. So I'll get the camera, or I'll get turned around, get things set up, and I'll see you here in a little while. What we have here is the MHI Monster Hooks Incorporated tow hook, and what I meant by is that this fancy one is because I got this in red. It does come in red, black, silver, and aluminum color. Well, what is that? Silver, yeah, aluminum and silver color. So just unboxing it here. Here is the clevis pen that you will get with this, and it comes with some snap rings. So that's what you need these pliers for. And taking the hook out of the box, and here is the hook on what it looks like. Very, very heavy duty hook. Actually it is heavy, and it is functional. They do have it on their website that you can pull and do off-roading with these, but to me these are too pretty to go off-roading with them. On all the show truck builds you see all this style of hook on there because they are a nice fancy hook. And we got this from A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, PA. And if you want, go to the description below and you can find Jeff's Auto Body, Iron Cross, A&A, all of those in the description below. Contact them if you have any questions or if you're looking for a set of these. So this is pretty much all you get in the boxes right here. And what I'm going to do is to install these is to prep these up a little bit before I take them over to the truck, and then we will go over there. Like here is the pin, and this is some pretty heavy duty. I mean, there's some weight to all this stuff, and you get 2 snap rings here. So I'm just going to put 1 snap ring there, and then what I like to do is, since they just slide in like such, I'm just going to put 1 side in before going over to the truck. So this way it's just a little bit easier to manage it. So I'm just going to get my snap ring pliers, and I'm just going to put it on here like this. And once I have it on there like that, I'm going to hold this here, and what you have to do is when you squeeze the pliers, it spreads the snap ring. So then what I want to do is make sure it doesn't go flying off. So I'm going to kind of cover it, so if it does pop off, I don't lose it here in the shop. So I'll just put it over the edge here, and I'll open it up just enough to where I could slide it on over. And these are some heavy duty snap rings. And then once you get it there like that, you could just work it back over. And these are tight, so I'm going to just use the pliers again to spread them open a little bit more. And there you go. And then I got this side on. Then I'll take it over to the truck and we'll put these hooks on. I did get 2 of them, so I'll do the first one and then I'll show you the second one. Try and get 2 angles with you guys, so this way in case you're missing on the first angle or whatnot. So I'll meet you over at the truck. Yo, what's up, bro? Alright, so now that we're over here at the truck, and I'm going to bring you in here a little bit easier because I might have to get on this side to do this, and I just don't want to be in the way of doing it with you, so I'm just going to put this side in here, put the pin in, and they're going to hang like so. And what you want to do is the same concept. You just put your snap ring pliers on there, and you're going to want to spread them and put this on. I like to hold my thumb here or finger here, so this way if it comes out, a little awkward to do this on camera here. So I'm going to try and figure out the easiest way to do this. And I have it on there. And that's it. And this one is on. And as you can see there's the snap ring there. And this is on there, and what I'm probably going to do is put something back here so it doesn't bang off the bumper, make noise, or scratch any of the paint. But that's pretty simple, so let's go over to the other side, and we'll do the other one, and then I'll bring you out and show you what they look like. Alright, this one's the same concept, except that last one I did where I had to do on the flat surface of the bumper. Well, there on this side, the bumper goes out this way, so it's probably best to do it on the outsides of the curves. But I'll try not to get in your guys' way again. Get your snap ring pliers, put them on there. And then I'm just gonna try and put my thumb over. You'll see my thumb go over it and and I'll work it. Just put a little tension on there, squeeze it apart. It is a little bit tough, but you'll feel it starting to go on as it goes. You just put it on, it clips in there, and it's on. Just double check it. Yeah. Now we're ready to do some serious towing or winch me out of a mud hole or something. I don't know about that. But that's all that it takes to put these on. But now I'm going to take a step back and we'll go over and see what these look like with installed on the truck. Well, we got the hooks mounted up on the truck, so what do you think about it? Hit me up in the comments if you think it's overkill, but let's take a little bit closer look at them. And I really do like how it accents it off with this style of paint. Some people are calling this purple, some people are calling it blue. I have had one person commented it's blurple. So I really like how these hooks are really accenting, really breaking the front of the bumper up. And another reason why I went with the red is because of it. I also have it followed throughout the truck in the rims, in the wire loom, and there's little odds and ends throughout the truck that are detailed in red. Well guys, that's all it took was to put these tow hooks on. It didn't take much, just a little bit of time, and just be careful that you don't lose a snap ring on it while you're doing so. You might have one pop off, so keep your thumb on it, keep a hold of it, because they do not give you extras. That's the only thing I wish they did, was maybe put one extra one in each kit. Well, I hope this video helps you guys out on how to install these MHI Monster Hooks Incorporated fancy tow hooks, but I really do like how it complements our build. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.